Welcome back everybody. So in today's video we are going to talk about how to get more fonts in Scratch using Google Drive. So let's get started. We will start off by creating a project. Let's name it Extra Font. Now let's open a new tab where we will go to drawings.google.com. Now we will go to File, click on New and click on Drawing. Once you get a new drawing, you can give the drawing any name or just leave. So I'm just going to name it Font. Now you click on this text box option and you drag your text like this. And now you can type anything in any size. So the size does not really matter, to be honest, but for the sake of this video, let's just select any size. And you can select any font, such as I would like to select this font called Audio White. Now I can type anything. For example, let's type XMate text. You see, you can write anything, like you can write extra font or whatever you want. But note that once you paste this in the Scratch editor, it will not be editable anymore. So I recommend to write only what you need. For example, you want to make a game about space called Spacewar. So you can write that, and once done, let's make it a bit smaller so that it is easy to upload and center it. Now, once you are done, go to File, then click on Download, where you will get this option called Scalable Vector Graphics or SVG, and that's what you need to click on. Once done, that file will be downloaded. Then we can go back to our Scratch editor and we can first delete this Scratch cat costume. Let's click on this paint icon to create a new costume. Let's go to the costumes tab. We are already here. And now let's go here and click on Upload Costume. And let's upload our costume. So you see this fonts.svg, that's what we are going to upload. Now Scratch will import it. You see it's successfully imported. And if you see carefully, it is uneditable. Like obviously you can use this tool to bend it a bit according to your wish. But anyways, we don't need to do it. And now you can use it anywhere in your project. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I hope to see you in the next video. We will meet soon. So have a great day. Bye.